YouTube, what is y'all doing? So today, since it's nice outside, I'm about to go and what's up? I'm about to go and reveal my route. Just look over it. I think it's about done. It's done as I'm gonna get it right now. So I'm gonna find a nice little location and just show what I'll talk about. Probably talk about what I spent if y'all care about that type of stuff. I don't want to expose none of my mistakes. It does look a lot better on camera. To me, it looks like a bluish color sometimes, but nonetheless, we finna get to it. We finna head down somewhere, take some good shots, some photos, and talk about it. We're gonna chop it up. Y'all know what I mean. Well, let's get into it.
Perfect.
Alright, y'all. So this is gonna be probably a short video. We're gonna discuss the car and the route and everything that I've been doing. First off, some honorable mentions. I think at this point I just need some rims. I still got my stocks on there, and I mean they look okay. I painted them black, but I need something a little bit more aggressive. But yeah, so I think I said this before. The color on here right now is Vivid's Matte Attack Nardo Gray. I think that's how they describe it. But if you go to Vivid's website, you can type that in and you can see the wrap that I'm using. I'm not sure how it's gonna come out on the camera. It's supposed to be like a really gray color, but sometimes it looks blue. It took me 2 weeks to do this, and it's not perfect. I think it's pretty good for a beginner. I definitely learned a lot, and the next car wrap, if I do another one, will be a lot better than this. But yeah, it took me like 2 weeks to wrap it. It's my quarantine wrap. I decided to learn something new, so I was like, okay, I bought some wrap. Now, it's not cheap. Wrap is not cheap, especially depending on the kind you use. I didn't want to buy really cheap wrap and put it on my car. I just didn't want to do that. I don't know why. It just got loud. I guess my fans just kicked on. But I didn't want to buy cheap wrap and put it on my car, so I went to Vivid. I heard they were pretty good. So all in all, I got a discount on the wrap. I think I got like 70 feet for like $350, which should have been more than enough to wrap the car, but I guess not when you're a beginner. So I was making mistakes. I messed up an entire hood piece, the whole side panel. I messed up, just miscellaneous little pieces, a fender piece, a door piece. All in all, I think I messed up like at least 30 feet of it. So I ended up ordering some more. So I ordered an additional 30 feet, which turned out to be more than enough. So I guess I didn't. I don't know. I'm no quick maths. I don't know. So yeah, I ordered additional 30 feet, and it was like $175 more. So all in all, I think it was over $500 for the wrap. And that's just me doing it by myself. Now, if I had to pay somebody, I don't think I could have got a decent job for less than $1,000. Especially with this color and the wrap and stuff like that. I hear matte is easier to work with than like chrome or something like that. But I don't know, that's what it cost me. I did buy these headlights too. I made a video on that. I actually got a deal on those too. I don't want to talk about how much I paid. But yeah, overall, I think the car came out pretty good. I like how it looks. I've cleaned it a couple times already. Everything seems to be holding on. For the most part, I don't think I see anything lifting. Areas where I could have done better is like in the fender wells and stuff like that. It's just really dirty under there and hard to get to. I probably didn't need to like actually fold those. So I kind of messed up my inner fender liners a little bit. The front bumper I chose to like delete that small section at the bottom where the fog lights are and the little grill at the bottom. Partly because I was lazy, but then I actually liked how that looked. It was kind of hard to get the wrap to like form to the bumper properly. So yeah, it's small things like that I need to work on with my rapping skills. But I might actually start rapping cars on the side. I don't know. It's actually pretty fun, especially like if you like during this whole quarantine thing. It's like not a lot to do, so it's good to like just challenge yourself to do something. I didn't think I would be able to do this when I started, but once I bought the rap, I was like, it's gotta be done. So I pretty much put myself in a position where I had to do this. Cause you don't wanna go $300 and some in on rap and not complete it. So we got a finished process. Like I said, the only thing left I need to do is probably get some rims. I'm actually thinking about getting rid of this, honestly. I might be talking too soon, but I think I want. So it might be short-term goals. I don't know. We'll see. But for right now, I'm gonna rock with the 350. It's fast enough. I like the car. But that's gonna be it for this video. I might just get some cinematics of the car, things like that, and just show it off.